Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt. First, select your ingredients: 1/2 gallon of whole milk and 2 tablespoons of a live yogurt starter. Use a heavy-bottomed pot to prevent scorching. Ensure all your equipment is thoroughly clean to avoid unwanted bacteria. This preparation is key for a successful batch. Once your milk cools to 110 degrees F, it's time to add the starter. Take a small amount of the warm milk and mix it with your 2 tablespoons of starter culture until smooth. Then, gently stir this mixture back into the main pot of milk. Pour the inoculated milk into clean glass jars, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Now the incubation begins. Place your jars in a warm environment, ideally between 105 and 115 degrees F. A yogurt maker works best, but an oven with the light on or an insulated cooler can also work. Let it incubate for 6 to 12 hours. The longer it incubates, the tangier and thicker your yogurt will become. After incubation, carefully transfer the jars to the refrigerator. Chilling for at least 4 hours helps the yogurt set and develop its final texture. If you prefer a thicker, Greek-style yogurt, you can strain it through cheesecloth for a few hours. Enjoy your delicious homemade yogurt, which stays fresh for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.